In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full screen in Figma. Using full screen mode is an incredibly useful feature, especially when presenting your designs, reviewing a prototype, or simply wanting to immerse yourself in your work without distractions. It maximizes your design canvas, removing browser interface elements and providing a clean, focused view. This significantly enhances clarity and impact during presentations. The first step to achieving this immersive experience is to initiate Figma's presentation mode. You'll need to locate and click the Present button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your Figma interface. Look for an icon resembling a play button, often a triangle pointing right, or simply the text Present. This button is crucial for showcasing your work effectively. When you click Present, Figma opens your current design or prototype in a new browser tab or window, automatically transitioning your view into a dedicated presentation environment. You'll notice the typical Figma editing interface disappears, replaced by a more streamlined layout focused solely on your design. At this stage, your design is in a presentation view, but not yet fully full screen, as browser elements might still be visible. This is the necessary precursor to achieving true full screen. Once in this presentation view, your next action is to activate the full screen display. Look closely at the interface Figma has opened. You should find an option labeled Enter Full Screen, or an icon visually representing full screen mode, commonly a square with arrows pointing outwards from its corners. This control is usually located within the toolbar of the presentation window, often near the top or bottom. Clicking Enter Full Screen immediately expands your design to fill your entire monitor. All peripheral elements, such as browser tabs, toolbars, and even your operating system's taskbar, will vanish. Your Figma design will then take center stage, providing a completely unobstructed and immersive viewing experience.